In the 1970s, my grandfather purchased a lighting company out of Ohio. Since then, we've grown into a leading lighting company. There's many reasons why we adopted additive manufacturing, such as speed, financial benefits, and customization.
The additive manufacturing technologies that we have really allow us to be more in control of our own efficiencies and timelines.
GrabCAD Print Pro has opened a lot of features that we see as a benefit. It's more user-friendly. We used to have to use a different software, which was very manual, and so it's just streamlined that whole process. One of the cool features is being able to add text right in GrabCAD.
This here is a prototype that we have printed on the Origin One. Something really cool about printing this bezel now is that GrabCAD just became kind of a one-stop shop. We can generate supports right in GrabCAD.
We recently grew our AM portfolio by partnering with Stratasys, bought a couple of their new machines that really has opened up what we're able to do here.